This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch out images in Google Slides. Here, I have a picture that has already been cropped into a circle, and if you want to know how to do that, click the link above or look for the link in the description. But let's say I don't want this picture anymore. Instead of deleting the picture and then going through that process again to make it into a circle, all you need to do is right-click on the picture and then select Replace Image. You can also do that by clicking on the picture, selecting Format, selecting Image, and then selecting Replace Image, and you will get the same set of options. I'm going to upload the replacement image from my computer, so I'm going to select Upload from Computer, and then I'm going to select the picture that I want to include, and then select Open. Now, that new image replaced the old image, retaining its formatting. If I double click on that, you can see what the full photo looks like. But since I replaced the image, it will keep the previous formatting. So this video shows you how to quickly replace photos in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.